Well, hello everyone, it's Lauren again here with the Pavement Ends channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're off for a little overnight adventure. This is maybe about an hour away from my house, and the weather has turned really nice. It's going to be nice here for a few days. A little break from the usual Pacific Northwest rain. So looking forward to that. Yeah, so some of you might recall we came up here about 2 months ago before all this quarantining stuff started. The quarantining I think was just about to hit, and we were out here for an overnighter. And as you may also recall, the way I wanted to go was kind of choked in with snow. I couldn't make it up any farther. So today is different. We're heading all the way up, and hopefully some of that snow will be melted off. Well, as I'm sure you guys can see, we're kind of at the end of the line for this road. A little too much snow and down branches to deal with. So we'll try something else. Hey guys, so yeah, we got a little bit bogged down on the road up there, so I turned around. I'm gonna head back down to a campsite I found. It looks really nice, so I'm gonna give it a try. Kind of creeping along here because met somebody on their way up here, and anyway, there's no place to turn around, so he's backing down a little bit, and I'm not going to put him on camera, but we just got a little work to do here, get him turned around. Mosquitoes are out. Hey guys, have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Well, hey guys, so here we are in camp. I didn't do a lot of filming to get here because I wanted to hurry up and get here. Get a little later in the afternoon and getting on towards dinner time. So I thought it'd be nice to get set up and get some dinner started. It's a great little spot. Got the creek to serenade me all night. It'll just be great. So I'm going to get a fire started and get the kitchen set up and cook a simpler dinner. I know the last couple of videos I did some cooking, it was a little bit more complex, but hey, it was quarantine month. But this is a great spot to enjoy a meal by the fire. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get her going. I'm just going to do kind of a simple Parmesan chicken tonight, and I'm just going to do some taters. I'll put the recipe up on pavementschannel.com. Well, okay, it's just campsite cooking, but I got my basics. I got my taters, my chicken, and a little tomato for some freshness and color. And now I'll sit by my little fire and enjoy the dinner. All right, while we're at it, time for a little shot of root beer. My favorite brand. Well, I have to tell you guys, I've been looking forward to this for quite a while, and ended up in a really good spot. There's a mountain up behind us here through the trees, and it is right here. It looms right up. This is just a really nice place to be. Glad we made it out here. We're on U.S. Forest Service land, so we're fine. There's nobody around here, so we're definitely maintaining our 6 feet distance. And I did my research. Forest Service land is not closed. I'm going to turn the cameras off for a bit. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. I'm going to enjoy the fire. I'm going to enjoy the rustle of the creek going by. And I'm going to enjoy the fading light. Alright guys, well hey, it's getting to be bedtime, so I'm going to call it a night. I want to take a moment and just say thanks to all the people that have been subscribing. So I really do appreciate that. I don't want to take anybody for granted or anything like that. I just do appreciate that you know, people are interested. I don't know what else to say about that, but I'm glad you did. If you're not a subscriber and you feel like it, well, you know, hop on aboard. If you don't like what the content has to offer, well, subscribe anyway, and you know, maybe something will come along that you do like. Anyway, yeah, like I say, I'm going to call it a night, and I'm probably going to end the video here tonight. It's bedtime, time to crawl into my bunk here. So we'll be doing this again fairly soon, I hope. But until then, see you guys out here on the back road.